I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clean recording or a live mic signal so you control variables. Once chosen, downsample to 8 kHz to 16 kHz to remove high-frequency detail and create a natural lo-fi bass. Then apply a gentle low and high shelf cut. Remove sub-bass under 120 Hz and shave highs above 6 kHz to dull clarity. Make sure to monitor levels and add slight intentional clipping to introduce harmonic distortion. This sets the low-quality character from the first pass. Once done with EQ and downsampling, introduce artifacts to deepen the low-quality feel. You should add band-limited noise around 200 to 4,000 Hz at 1 to 3% to mask detail while keeping intelligibility. Next, use a bit crusher to drop to 812 bits and optionally force a lower sample rate. This creates quantization grit. Then compress aggressively to flatten dynamics, followed by gentle makeup gain so the result stays loud but squashed. Make sure to preserve enough midrange for words to remain understandable. You finish by summing to mono, adding a tiny reverb tail to simulate cheap space, then apply a brickwall limiter to control peaks. Once done, listen for muddiness in the 400–800 Hz range. If words congeal, notch that band by 2 to 4 decibels to restore clarity without raising quality. If clipping becomes harsh, reduce input gain and reintroduce only subtle distortion. Make sure to compare with the original so you keep intended intelligibility while achieving the low-quality aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.